Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you what you need to do in week 7. So if you scroll down here past down to February the 20th and you open up this block, there's going to be a decorative, I'm actually going to take out, by the time you see this video, the decorative picture will be gone, and instead the video will be in its place. For this week, we are studying verbs that end in AR, ER, and IR. To prepare for this week, you need to study pages 58 to 66 in your text. After completing this week's activities, you should be able to describe your physical appearance, nationality, and some of your personality traits to others. You should also be able to use verbs that end in AR, ER, and IR to tell what you and other people like to do in Spanish. All assignments for this week are due at the end of the day, February the 23rd. And this week's activities address SLOs 1, 2, or Student Learning Outcomes 1, 2, and 6. The first thing you need to do is open up your instructor videos. You will see videos on regular AR verbs, ER and IR verbs, and vocabulary on pages 58 and 59. Watch all those videos. After you've watched those videos, come back out, click on the class participation forum, open it up. Click reply and post any questions or concerns you had about the material covered in those videos or any other questions or concerns you have about the class thus far. And when you're done with that, get out of your forum. The next thing you have is a reading comprehension quiz. This is a quiz that you'll complete in Moodle. You're going to open it when you're ready. You only get one attempt. You're going to read the passages below, which are all in Spanish, and after you've read it, then you're going to open your quiz. And you're going to answer the questions below based upon what you've read. Now, be aware there are a bunch of true-false, but there are a handful of short answer. The computer will be unable to grade your short answers correctly. So with the amount of short answers, pretty much everyone is going to fail the quiz. It has to be manually graded. You are welcome to work ahead. However, I will not go in and start grading the changing grades until after the assignment's due date. So the Friday after the assignment is due is when I'll go through and start giving you back points for your short answers, because the computer, if you don't word it exactly the way that I worded it, the computer is going to count it wrong even if you were right. So just be aware of that and be patient. So after you're done and you've submitted the quiz, you also have assignment 9, for which you need to go out to my language labs and complete the following SAM activities in chapter 2. So if we go out here to the SAM, you can click the button. It'll take you straight to SAM. You click on the 23rd, you'll see some vocabulary tutorials and a grammar tutorial, as well as some extra practice activities and some more tutorials. None of those are assigned, so you do not have to do them. They are there only if you need extra practice or extra explanation regarding the vocabulary or how to conjugate AR, ER, and IR verbs in the present tense. The ones that are assigned are the SAM activities, which you can find right here. You'll want to double check to make sure that the numbers here match the numbers out here. Complete each of these activities, open each one up, complete it, hit finish and submit, and that's all you guys need to do for this week.